Welcome everyone. So today we are going to discuss how we can install PyCharm on Ubuntu machine. So I'm here on the PyCharm, the JetBrains official website for the IDE PyCharm. So you can go onto this URL. Either you can go onto Windows if you want to install, or this is Linux. So for Linux users, you can directly go to this URL and you have professional and community version. So make sure to install community version because it's free. Otherwise, if you install professional, you'll start getting a warning that 30-day trial is ended and you can't use it. So we will start downloading the community version, the tar.gz file, and our download has started. So at this moment our download is finished. So you can see we have got a tar.gz file there, PyCharm community version. What you can do is simply click on there and extract. So you will get the extracted folder, which is here, PyCharm community. So what are we going to do to install it? There's a second way to extract this. For me, there's an option coming, I can do that. But for some users, if it's not there, you can directly do through command line tar xczf and you can type it, and then you will get the extracted folder in the current directory. Then you have this folder. You can have to go to the bin directory and you can see there's a pycharm.sh script. So what you're gonna do, you can just open terminal for this current folder. You can run this particular script, bash script. You just type ./pycharm.sh and then you click there and it will install PyCharm community version. So I already had installed it, so that's why I already had here. If you want to add to the favorites, you can do add to the favorites version and it will be added here, so you don't have to do every time run it from there. Yeah, so the PyCharm install. There is a second way to install PyCharm, so which is also very simple. You can do it directly on Ubuntu by just directly copying this URL or this command on Ubuntu machine and directly paste it there, and yeah, this will also help directly install from the Ubuntu repository, that is snap. And this is the second way to install PyCharm on Linux machine.